Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and here with a top-down video to bring you my unboxing. I think you've seen it in some videos, but now I'm going to share my unboxing and first impressions of, there they are. Yes, the AirPods 3 are finally here in my possession, and yes, we've seen some reviews of these, but this may be one of the earliest retail impressions of AirPods 3. Of course, everyone else bought MacBooks. I bought AirPods 3. And so here they are, guys, the AirPods 3. Let's face it, guys, I've been using AirPods Pro for quite a while, so you may pose the question, why did I pick these up? I've been using these. These have definitely been through the ringer. There's some moments, though, let me tell you, where I really wish that I had something like this that didn't have the actual rubber tip, because it can be annoying sometimes. And so, yes, while I do have AirPods Pro, I do think that these AirPods 3 are going to be a pretty good backup for my needs to use in the office and for other use cases as well. So let's go ahead and tear these open and unbox this bad boy. Here we go. Immediate depreciation. Oh yeah, there we go. Lifting the lid. Designed by Apple in California. And will you look at that? AirPods 3. The first thing I need to do is definitely measure the case next to my AirPods Pro. See if there's any sort of difference. And let's have a look. I did not expect them to be smaller. The case is actually quite a bit smaller than AirPods Pro. You see it there. Oh, and this is so nice, man. Look at this brand new, beautifully clean AirPods 3 case compared to my Frankie Tech labeled AirPods Pro case. It is beat up. But I will be getting some cases for AirPods 3 coming up very soon. Stay tuned for that video. But now let's have a look. There they are. Wow. I'm really liking these, guys. It's like the AirPods Pro and AirPods 2 had a baby, and this is the result. How are the stems? They're pretty much the same size. And if you remove the tip here from AirPods Pro, you'll see, they're pretty much the same size. In fact, I think AirPods 3 are even a little bit larger when you remove the tip from the AirPods Pro. But of course, these are going to have a lot of the same great features of AirPods Pro, minus active noise cancellation. You do get spatial audio, you get all the latest codecs, you get all the latest kind of specs for that, but what you also get is MagSafe wireless charging with this case. Now, my MagSafe charger is in the office right now. I'm going to have to test this out later, and let me put this in my ear and see how does it compare to AirPods Pro. It's interesting, guys. The feel in the ear is almost similar to AirPods Pro. The best way I can describe it is to take this AirPod like this and put it in your ear. That will give you a rough idea of what it's like to wear AirPods 3. And they fit very snug in my ear, really comfortable. All in all, guys, I can't wait to test these out on my commute tomorrow. And of course, the plan is to really maybe even turn one of these into my gym or workout headphones. These could be the gym headphones or the going to work ones, and these could be my weekend or at home, or I guess commute would be good with these as well. But all in all, guys, impressions of the AirPods 3, they're very nice. The case, I'm surprised, is quite a bit smaller, not as long as AirPods Pro, and the AirPods themselves look like they're going to be excellent. Spatial audio, all the great features that you get with AirPods Pro, minus active noise cancellation. I think for the price, these are great entry-level headphones. They were great before, and now with the update, they're even better. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on AirPods 3? And are you picking up some of these for yourself? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. I will, of course, be using these. I don't think you really want to see a full review of these, though, because let's face it, they're AirPods. They work, and they work as advertised, and that's the beauty of this type of product. You can just start using it. It is just quintessentially, for me, the iconic pair of TWS earbuds on the market, only done better now with AirPods 3. So that's it, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.